Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to stitch and cut a blouse. First, gather your essential tools, including your chosen fabric, sharp scissors, a flexible measuring tape, and tailor's chalk. Next, take precise body measurements such as bust, waist, and length to ensure a perfectly fitted garment. Finally, prepare your fabric by pre-washing it to prevent shrinkage, and then ironing it flat for accurate marking and cutting. Now, let's move on to cutting your fabric. Carefully lay your prepared fabric flat on a large surface, ensuring it's smooth and wrinkle-free. Use your tailor's chalk to mark all your pattern pieces precisely onto the fabric, following your measurements. When cutting, use very sharp scissors to achieve clean, even edges. Remember to add a consistent seam allowance of about 1/2 inch to all edges of your pattern pieces before cutting. With your fabric pieces cut, it's time to start stitching. Begin by securely stitching the shoulder seams together, then move on to the side seams, pressing them open as you go. Next, carefully attach the sleeves, making sure they are evenly gathered or fitted smoothly into the armholes. Finally, finish the neckline with a facing or binding, and create a neat, professional hem along the bottom edge of the blouse. For the final touches, consider adding your preferred closures, such as hooks and eyes, decorative buttons, or a discreet zipper, depending on your design. Press all the seams open and flat for a crisp, polished appearance that truly elevates your finished blouse. Lastly, try on your newly stitched blouse and make any minor adjustments needed to ensure it fits perfectly and feels comfortable. You've done a fantastic job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.